Now to our top story tonight. The new attorney for Sabrina Limon filing a motion this week to attempt to get her client a new trial.
23 ABC's Brandon Johansson dug through the court documents for us today. Joins us live now with more on the reasoning behind that motion. Brandon.
That's right, guys. With the exhibits included, this motion is well over 200 pages. Inside of it, Limon's new attorney says that she deserves a new trial because her old attorney was the reason for that original verdict.
It was one of the most watched trials in Kern County's history, captivating people not only locally, but across the nation for 18 days in court. And this week, a motion filed in the case of Sabrina Limon asking to do it all over again. Limon was found guilty of first-degree murder in October. She was on trial for the murder of her husband, Robert Limon, who was killed by her lover, Jonathan Hearn, but her new attorney says that her original lawyer was at fault for that verdict. In a scathing motion filed on Tuesday, new attorney Sharon Marshall claims that Limon deserves a new trial because original attorney Richard Terry did not provide, quote, effective assistance of counsel during her murder trial. Marshall says that Terry didn't go after Limon's lover the way he should have, saying, quote, Jonathan Hearn is a manipulator, a user, a fake, and a fraud, and defense counsel had evidence to use and to corroborate this, but he didn't. She says Hearn was the star witness, looking as polished as a senator when he took the stand and claiming that Terry didn't keep Hearn under control during his testimony, later saying in the motion that Hearn was, quote, much more a Manson than a U.S. senator. Marshall also iterates that Limon should have never been put on the stand in the first place, calling her testimony nothing short of completely abysmal and putting it all on Terry's shoulders. Multiple times in that 200-plus page motion, Marshall says that Limon was not prepared. In one instance, claiming that instead of preparing Limon for testimony, Terry went to Temecula for a jazz concert. Marshall's final shot, Terry, quote, not only dropped the ball, he barely even arrived at the field, claiming that he tried to play on the jurors' emotions instead of the facts that were there.
We contacted Richard Terry. He said he is not commenting at this time because of attorney-client privileges. We tried to get in touch with Limon's new attorney. She did not get back to us today. Limon is set to be sentenced on February 21st. For now in downtown Bakersfield, Brandon Johansson, 23 ABC News.